What's going on, YouTubers? It's your boy LB. Today I'm going to show you how to create this advanced smooth transition effect. There is no other plugin that's required in this video. Just follow my step and let's see how it is. Yes, alright guys, so now let me import my video clip. Here I have two clips, okay, which I'm going to use, and then let me select and drag it here on this timeline. Okay, so let me go on the composition settings. Let me try to give the duration of 10 seconds, okay, because my each clip has 4 seconds, okay, so I gave it 10 seconds on my timeline. So I have to put this one clip here. I have to extend to put here behind this first one, okay, like this, and then you see how my clip is. So and then I'm going to Ctrl+D to duplicate, okay, right, duplicate this clip, and then let me go here on this roto brush tool, double click, and I'm going to select this subject. I'm going to try to select it well, this subject, well as possible. Okay, so I have to do it first in order to mask. It's like to mask, okay, I have to select it where this subject where, okay, yeah, this is good. Okay, when you're done, back here on this composition, and then let me see how it is. This is my subject, okay, and I have the background of it, okay. That reason why I have two clips. So the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to find the first clip, I mean the first frame of this second clip, okay, it is this one, okay, and then you have to double click this second clip, right click here on it, go on time, and then click here on freeze frame, and then after freeze this clip, guys, I have to put it here on the top, and then let me try to put here under of this subject that we have been created, we have been selected, okay, just like this. So the things I'm going to do, just I'm going to use the rotation and the position and the scale, okay. You have to open up this transform, and let me move this blue line here, just like here, and I have to add keyframe for scale and keyframe for rotation as default, okay. So now I have to jump, let me put it here at the end of this first clip, and I have to jump like a few frames here back forward, and I have to rotate this image in this way, okay, in a minus 180, right, you know. So and about the scale, I'm going to reduce the scale. So for this scale, I have to put it to the 0, okay. So when I play, you see how my image is coming by scale in with rotate, okay. So and the next, I'm going to select those keyframes, okay, right click here on it, go here on keyframe assistant, and then click here on easy to smooth, okay, or you can use F9 to smooth, guys, this keyframe, okay. And then after smoothing this keyframe, let me cross this layer, and I have to enable this smooth icon, okay. You see how this frame is coming, that's better one, okay. And then let me try to go here on this graph to smooth it well as possible. Let me use this graph in this way. You see how this effect is coming, that's so pretty, that's so good, okay. Okay, so now back here, and then let me close this clip, this layer. Okay guys, now you see, and I'm going to find the first frame of the second clip, okay. The first frame of the second clip, it is first frame of the second clip, it is this one, okay, and I have to freeze frame it also, okay. So I have to move behind here, so the things also I'm going to do, when my first clip it is over and this frame which I have been selected, it will be remains like a second. Okay, so is that reason why I'm going to use scale for disappear. Okay, just let me go here on the first, on this first clip, this first frame. Okay, so let me open up this layer and then open up this transform, and I'm going to use the scale, okay, here in this transform. So for the scale, guys, I have to add keyframe here on the beginning, and I have to move this anchor point here on this side, because when I try to zoom, my subject will go on one side. Okay, is that reason why I have to put this anchor point in this way. Okay, so when I try to zoom, you see how my subject is going on. Yes, it is going in this side. Okay, so when I play, you see my subject, it is disappeared. Okay, so and then I have to select those keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant, easy. All right, so and then I have to smooth it. Okay, so when I try to play, let me see how it is. When I play, yeah, you see how the things is moving on. Yes, maybe guys, this is so good, this is so pretty. So let me back here, I try to move it here. Yeah guys, if this effect is too speed up, you have to increase the space between those two keyframes. If it is going too small, you have to decrease. Okay, and let me smooth these two frames. Okay, okay, when I play, you see how this effect is coming. Man, this is so pretty, this is so good. Guys, please, if you have any question, please comment down below. I have to know, yes, what do you think about it? Okay, yes guys, maybe this is how you can create this advanced smooth transition inside Adobe After Effects. Guys, please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment down below. I just want to know, what do you think? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and just comment it. See you guys in next video. Peace.